Around the world every day, Keller approaches each challenge as an opportunity to innovate and apply our shared knowledge and experience. We are Keller, the world's largest geotechnical specialist contractor. Since our inception in 1860 by Johann Keller, we have been growing and innovating. Today, Keller holds its presence in over 40 countries, spanning 6 continents with a workforce of over 11,000 people, completing over 6,000 projects a year with 22 business units and revenue of £2.2 billion. At Keller, we strive to create infrastructure that improves the world's communities by providing solutions to a wide range of geotechnical challenges. Our journey in India began at about 2 decades ago by 2 talented individuals, Mr. Y. Hari Krishna and Mr. Deepak Raj. From our inception in the year 2000, with just 2 projects, we have grown leaps and bounds. Today, our projects span the whole of India. Starting from the north in Barmer, Rajasthan, our team fought extreme heat and sandstorms to install 13,500 piles in a limited time schedule of 10 months to build a new kind of refinery and petrochemical complex that aims to meet the country's growing demand for oil and petroleum. In the east, we are working on an IOCL refinery in Motihari, Bihar, where we are creating an earthquake-safe foundation by a unique combination of vibro techniques for one of the largest Indian government-owned oil and gas companies, a new grassroots petroleum, oils and lubricant (POL) terminal as a first cross-border transaction to enable fuel supply to Nepal. Moving south, in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, we have executed vibro stone columns covering an area of over 35,000 square meters to support a panel module factory at an industrial park. In Vizag, we have laid foundation works using 1650 numbers of 800 mm dia BCIS piles and RC raft to support storage at HPCL Vishakha refinery. At Polavaram, over the Godavari river, we are using vibro compaction of more than 50 lakh cubic meter across the main dam area to mitigate liquefaction potential at Polavaram irrigation project. Polavaram Dam in the east and west Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh is an ambitious multi-purpose irrigation project which was declared a national project by Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act in 2014. Keller India is proud to be the part of this mega national project with specialized technique of jet grouting, a relatively new and superior technology. The jet grouting work was inaugurated by the former Honorable Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and other state dignitaries. We pride in our expertise at the jet grouting, vibro compaction and ground improvement techniques, especially for seepage control and densification of loose sandy deposits respectively. In this project, large diameter jet grout columns were executed below proposed cofferdam sections to arrest seepage below. This technique is one of its kind in India. Further south in Chennai, the 4th largest city in India, we have placed 650 uplift tankers with the capacity of 90 ton to counteract 9 meter uplift water pressure at Shenoy Nagar for Chennai Metro. About 30 kilometers away from the city, at Kattupalli, Keller was entrusted with building 300 meters of wharf extension at a harbour to cater to its increasing demand. Keller's geotechnical expertise was welcome on this complex pile execution. The full scope, from civil works to marine equipment installation, has been done in-house to ensure rapid construction system and completed the project in a limited time span of 10 months. In Trichy, we are working on a 1 meter thick and 1.7 kilometers long diaphragm wall as a cutoff from the construction of new barrage across Kaveri River. Moving towards the west, in Bangalore, Keller is executing piling process for Bosch office buildings at Adugodi. On the west coast at Gujarat's Kandla Port Trust, Keller successfully executed ground improvement works using optimal foundation solution to address geotechnical concerns of soft marine deposits for laying rail embankments to support the inland transportation leading to port. The project covers almost 3,800 meter of rail line, which was successfully accomplished utilizing 0.5 million safe man-hours without any safety and quality compromise. Finally, moving towards the heart of India, in Madhya Pradesh at Gadarwara, Keller has designed and executed vibro stone columns using dry bottom feed method at a thermal power plant to provide an optimal foundation solution to support structures of the flue gas desulfurization unit. At Keller, our vision is to be the world leader in geotechnical solutions, to lead in expertise, quality, safety, product range, customer service, and to consistently excel on every level. It wouldn't have been possible to grow and excel without the support of Keller family. Last year, we even conducted several CSR activities for Gaza cyclone and construction of toilets at schools. Partnering with our clients, we help create the infrastructure that improves the world's communities by laying the foundations on which the future will be built. Keller, global strength and local focus.
Aerial filmer. Aerial filmer. Aerial filmer. Aerial filmer.